Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on Google and type in buybitcoinworldwide.com. Once you've done that, you shall see country. Click country and look for Kiribati. The easiest way to find Kiribati is to type it in the search. Under Kiribati, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for credit card. So then it should pop up. We've found one Bitcoin exchange in Kiribati that accepts credit card. The company that accepts credit card in Kiribati is CoinMama. CoinMama allows customers in almost every country to buy with a credit card or debit card. They charge a 6% fee on each purchase. Customers in Europe can also purchase Bitcoin with SEPA transfer for a lower fee. So now I'll be reading the pros and cons. Works in almost all countries. Highest limits for buying Bitcoin with a credit card. Reliable and trusted broker. And now I'll be reading cons. Some of the highest fees among credit card Bitcoin brokers. So I'm going to end the video right here. To get more information, go to the weirdest coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.